Hello guys, ngayon nga pala mag-unbox tayo ng Bluetooth speaker. Buksan na natin. Sama na natin to pang PUBG. Pero hindi yan ang ating i-unbox. Ito siya, Charge Mini 7 JBL clone lang siya, bali Bluetooth speaker. Buksan natin, tingnan natin box. Naman niya, charging cable, micro USB. At yung unit. Sa likod makikita natin yung charging port, micro USB, memory card slot, USB, pwede siya maging power bank pero hindi ko lang alam kung totoong 6,000 battery nito, pero malamang hindi. On off switch. Meron sa ibabaw may button ng menu, minus, positive sign, volume yan, play at pause. Ito yung tagiliran niya. Ito yung ilalim. Ito yung harap, JBL. Clone lang siya. Copy lang. Test natin kung ano sounds niya, quality niya. Dahil sorte tayo, lowbat yung Bluetooth speaker, charge ko muna. Pero tatry na natin. Kinuha ko ng cellphone. Charge Mini 7. Yung pangalan niya sa Bluetooth. Connecting siya.
This is King Kong. Yes, Miss King Kong. In my kingdom with my Tim's on. How many championships?
Bali ito yung sounds niya. Test na natin.
Last 6 rings on. They need rappers like me. They need rappers like me. So they can get on.
Yeah, maximum.
Me, bad guy, Chung-Li.
Maximum volume natin.
Hey, yo, I been on. Bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on. Fendi prints on. I mean, I been on. X-Men been on. He keep on dialing Nicki like the prince on. I been on. Bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on. Fendi prints on. Hey, yo, I been off. Laura been cropped. Play say Chung-Li. Drop the bins off.
CB on the beat, ho. Butterfly, Doze. Jesky, yeah. Butterfly Doze. Space coupe look like a UFO. Whoa. Smoking on dope. Damn. They call me out cause my eye real low. Low. Pulling up foes. Whoa. Baby mama with my partners.
Para sa isang copy, maganda na rin sound quality niya.
Whip it, ain't no joke. No, you the type nigga gon' cry to a hoe. Ho. Butterfly dose. Space coupe look like a UFO. Whoa. Smoking on.
Tingnan natin yung bass niya. Kung ano tunog ng bass. Bale tayo, tetas na natin yung bass niya. Tingnan natin kung ano tunog. Malit lang siya, ito lang size niya.
Just because we took the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. You wouldn't have another psychopath sitting next to you. You wouldn't have another murderer sitting next to you. You wouldn't gonna get hit sitting next to you. But after all that,
Okay na din para sa price niya. Sa copy niya, maganda na rin tunog. Medyo may pagkabasag lang pag masyado malakas. Subscribe guys. Para sa next unboxing ulit. Thank you.